Right, this is the statement of second respondent Simon Vines. And this is his statement. Obviously, we're all part of it. It was a big court, family court thing. But I'm going to have to be very careful I don't show you the address. Now, let's move this up slowly. And there... It says, I am the father of Acacia May Vines, born on the 4th of February 2016. I live at the above address with Rebecca Cooper, who is Acacia's mother. Rebecca and I have recently moved to the above accommodation, which is a 2-bedroom property. I am in full-time employment as a care worker. Let's go over by the carpet while I turn page. And it says, although since the beginning of these proceedings my hours have changed and I work permanent days rather than the previous pattern of working 2 nights when I used to sleep at my place of employment, this has improved the situation with Rebecca, but as I have previously stated, I do not believe that I can look after her and Acacia, as I am still at work 38 hours per week. I told Rebecca when Acacia was born that I was not able to give up work, as I do not believe that we could survive on state benefits, and I need to keep working. I signed the document indicating replies to Rebecca and myself to the statement of facts of authority in connection with their application. Although I believe there has been an improvement with Rebecca's behaviour and in our relationship, there are still difficulties with Rebecca, and I simply could not cope with looking after her and a child. And I know that she could not look after Acacia on her own. I support the placement of Acacia with Rebecca's mother and her partner, Keith Rouse, although I understand that at the present time there are some difficulties as to how this can be done legally. I do want to have regular contact with Acacia, and I have made arrangements with my employer regarding my shifts, so that I am not working on Tuesday morning when it is currently proposed that such contact will take place in the long term. I do not believe that contact can take place at the home of Rebecca's mother and of her partner, as I have a difficult relationship with Keith Rouse, because my partner Simon Vines hates his guts for very good reason. I believe that the facts stated in this statement are true and that it may be placed before the court. So that's one thing there, people. And it's a very good report. I like the report. I think it's, very honest. Be warned that some of the later documents I'm going to show you are very, 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 very in-depth, and some of the stuff might be very upsetting that I'm going to be showing you in these reports. Some of it is very disturbing, some of it's very upsetting. So if you haven't got the stomach to hear it, then I suggest you don't listen to some of the reports. I'll tell you which one, before I do it, I'll tell you which one can be very triggering and very upsetting to listen to. But yeah, I'll tell you that anyway, before I do it. But okay, people, I'm going to leave that one there. Bye.